Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your YouTube video category in very simple, easiest, and fastest way. And of course, to do that, you need to download and install first the YouTube Studio app. If you are going to ask me, is it necessary to change the category of your YouTube video? My answer is yes, of course. Because if you set the best suitable category for your video will have more viewers. And that's what we wanted, right? Yes? And then, let's get started.
Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to click the YT Studio app. You can see the dashboard as you first open it. Then, click the three horizontal lines above. Then you can see dashboard, videos, playlist, comments, and analytics. Now, click the videos. And you can see all your videos right there. Okay? The two videos above is the recent video I uploaded. I just done putting a correct category of the first video above. And from 2 viewers, it is now 33 after 2 minutes. But the second video above is not yet changed. That is why it has low viewers after an hour. So we will change that category of this video so that it will have more viewers. Let us click first the video. And you can see the white pencil above. Click the small white pencil above. Then you can see the advanced setting. Click that one. And as you can see, the category of the video is people and blogs. And it is not fit on the content of my video. Am I right? That is why it has low views. Let us change that one. Click this small button and you will see the different categories. Since the content of my video is about tutorial, the exact category for my video is how to and style, because tutorials are belong to this category. So let us click how to and style. Then you can see that our category is changed. After that one, click the word save above. And we're done. Very simple, easier, and faster. So Google Chrome, no more. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless everyone.